Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a full guide on how to reply to a broadcast message on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your broadcast to access the messages that were sent to multiple recipients. Step 3. Scroll through the broadcast messages and select the specific message you want to reply to. Simply tap on the message to highlight it. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll see a reply icon. Tap on it to open the reply interface. Step 5. Now, type your reply message in the text box and tap the send icon, which is usually represented by an arrow pointing to the right. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to a broadcast message on WhatsApp. It's a convenient way to engage with the sender and participate in the conversation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.